But today, in a way to support small businesses, I am actually going into some stores to get some things. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. I hope you've all been keeping safe, and I believe you are all doing well. Yes, it's very important for us to be safe and stay healthy. Welcome to the Extra Steps here YouTube channel. On this channel I get to talk about business, how you can make money, and how you can monetize your skills, share my business journey, and of course sometimes I take you around my cities just for you to know what life is like in the city of Kitchener. Kitchener is a city in Ontario, Canada, and like I always say, the more the merrier. Does this sound interesting? Is this something you want to be a part of? Then you know what to do. Subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll always come back to watch my videos. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your comments, for your feedback. This is so much appreciated. You guys rock, you know. Yes, I'm all out today to support small businesses around me. I've done some online purchase, but then today I'm going into convenience stores around me just to buy something, because normally we buy from malls, we buy from stores, we tend to buy from big brands. But today, in a way to support small businesses, I am actually going into some stores to get some things. So let's go. And as well, I'll be taking you around downtown Kitchener just for you to know what it is like in downtown Kitchener, just for you to have the feel of Kitchener downtown. And sometimes in the history of this channel as well, I will take you downtown Waterloo. Like in Kitchener, we have region of Waterloo and we have Kitchener as a city. Is it a city or a town? I'm not sure. I'll check that up. I would type it in this video when I get to read it up. Okay, all right, so let's go. You know you're in downtown Kitchener when you start looking for parking space and when you see the meter to pay. So this is downtown Kitchener, looking for parking space, and be sure that you would not get a parking ticket. Those are actually convenience stores that normally you wouldn't buy there, but just a way to support them and put a smile on somebody's face, you know. As much as things are getting back, we also need to help small businesses. So most of them are convenience stores really, and normally I don't think I would want to shop in a convenience store, but well, that's part of what we can do. We're almost in the first store. In downtown Kitchener, there are lots of old buildings, very old buildings and skyscraper. As you can see, it's a long stretch. It's like a central business district. So let's go and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, this is open, but it is by appointment, strictly by appointment. Let me go into this convenience store. Let's just look around. If there's anything to buy, I will definitely buy, but let me just look around to see what they have. Continue to support small businesses around us. You can buy a gift card, review their products, let them know that they are loved and they are appreciated. And like I always say on this channel, I'm all out to support small business. So if you have any business at all, I would buy into it and I would bring it on this channel. Okay, so just put it in the comment section. If you have any business, if you're in the US or in Canada that can ship to my city, let me know. Just put it down in the comment section and I would patronize. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy going around the city of Kitchener. No, not city of Kitchener, that was downtown Kitchener. Yeah, we would go around the city of Kitchener just for you to know what it is like to live here in Kitchener. Kitchener is a very quiet place, as you can see. Yes, so let me know in the comment section, what did you enjoy about this video? What more do you want from this channel? Like, let me know if you want more of these videos taking you around town. It will be a great pleasure, especially before winter sets in. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel and you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And I want to tell you, go through my playlist, my business playlist, my life around Kitchener playlist. There are so many playlists that you can sit down and binge on. Yes, I would appreciate this. And share this video, like, comment, and do all the good stuff. And send me emails. If there's anything else you want to see in my city, let me know and I'll bring it to your watching pleasure. Thank you so much to all my existing subscribers. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your feedback. And my I forgot my high school. No, what is high school? Primary school. Yeah. If you grew up in Nigeria and you took these candies, please comment down below. Like I always say, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Until I come again some other time. Bye now. As you all know, this is the Extra Steps CEO channel. As you all know, this is the Extra Steps CEO YouTube channel. Yeah, this is the so in today, so you know what it is like to live in